My learners tend to ask me that, ma'am, what is the difference in will and would? First of all, I'll tell you one thing. Will is actually the helping verb of simple future. Okay, something is certain, something is gonna happen. It is sure, like I will help you. It's promise, right? I will meet you. India will win. So it is certain. It is certain which is gonna happen in the future. But what about the would? Would is actually the model. I would say it is the naughtiest model. It has got number of views, and as you can see, I have mentioned in this, it is a conditional. I have told you number of time in my class also, guys, that it is hypothetical conditional. There are several use of would. You can see here it is in the hypothetical, like if I were to win a lottery, I would. If I were into your shoes, I would. This is the hypothetical conditional. What about the second use of would? As I've told you, it is one of the most naughtiest model. Another use, like we generally say, could you please help me? You can say, would you please help me? Would you shift there? So it can be used in place of could in the polite request. And the second one is very easy. Would like. I would like to help you. I would like to tell you something. Would you like to have something? This is the third use of would. As I'm telling you that it's a naughtiest model, so just don't think that there are only three use. There are multiple use of would. So while using would, you have to be very careful. The three I've told you. Another you can use in place of used to. Yes, while story narration, while writing, you can find the use of would in place of used to. There is a subtle difference. There is a slight difference in that. Like you would say that I would take non-veg. It means you used to take non-veg. Yes, don't get confused. It has got the similarity. Would also represent your past habit. So I'm repeating to you the most common use I have told you. Like in a third conditional also we are using. If you had told me, I would have come. Getting, so would plus first form and would have plus third form, somewhere it is similar, context you can use. So I'm again repeating in cut the crap and nutshell the whole that will is actually used for the certain condition, like which is gonna happen, you are certain about it, right? Like I'll do that, I'll help you. But would, you cannot say that actually it is a certain, sometimes it is an unreal situation. If I were into your shoes, I would help you. If I had money, I would definitely purchase the lavish car. Would you like to have a pizza? Would you please shift? I would take the non-veg. When I was of your age, I would do like this way. And another use of would is also there, as I've told you, in the past habit. And I taught you in the class also, like I wish I were there. I wish I would help you. So there are multiple use. The more you delve into the use of would, you would find the variation in the uses. It can be only learned by the practice, reading books. So like don't get confused in the grammar. Like if you keep going the way as I've been mentioning you, go step by step, take up baby steps to learn. Okay, happy learning. I hope it must have cleared your the doubts about that. If it is not, mention me in the comment. I would clear more.